What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and as you might be able to tell, my little exhaust leak fix lasted a whole, not even a mile. Literally, by the time I got on the highway, like almost to Callie's house, it was already leaking. The heads are like completely fucking stripped. I'm probably gonna have to like re-tap them or something. I don't want to work on shit that like isn't cool or isn't needed. And it's just like, this is like one of those things that it's like buying an axle. It's like buying lug nuts. You just hate doing it because you're like, why? This is $40. What the hell? But it's something you need to do, or you suck. I don't know. Yeah. But we're doing other cool things today. Well, at least getting some cool things today. So we're gonna be receiving some sweet gifts from my homie from Florida. Well, from Connecticut, but moved to Florida. And yeah. Very nice. We go to the shop now with my fucking exhaust leak. I hate it. Fuck. Fucking lawnmower, Briggs & Stratton. Shit sounds like a hit and miss, like 1920s farm engine. Fucking livid. Like, this is worse than it's ever been. It literally sounds like the exhaust is just straight disconnected. So, I'm not gonna film it, obviously, but I have to fix that first before I do anything, which is super fucking annoying. And I literally was driving here like this because I'm dizzy right now. That's how much fucking fumes are in there. I don't know. I hate doing this shit. So my gaskets are porked, obviously. So I put new gaskets in it. And on top of that, instead of using red RTV like I have been, I use freaking ultra copper gasket maker, all right? Ultra copper gasket maker. Damn it. So this shit should work better, especially coupled with brand new exhaust gaskets. So I ain't damn touching this thing for another 3 hours, and I'm gonna let this thing completely dry. All right, I'm ordering DoorDash to the shop. I'm hungry. I was gonna go drive. Fuck that. I'm ordering DoorDash. This shit is curing completely. Ain't doing nothing for like 3 hours. Every time she shows up, she does this one like rev. We need to repaint those wheels. Look at this OEM Plus kit. Let's show the front of it.
Don't show my nails.
Your nails? They're ratchet right now? Damn,
like, it's really nice.
Yeah, I'm like baffled by how clean that really is.
Yeah,
like
I know.
A camera from what, like the early 90s? Or
Genuinely
80s?
don't even know.
Someone tell me.
It's literally, there's not a single imperfection on it.
Some of my film photography subscribers, let me know what kind of... or tips and tricks. We don't want to watch no YouTube videos, you know. Out here watching skaters versus haters. She got the freaking the shiniest food. I got bin ziti. Hello. Yo. What's fucking up, guy?
What up, dude? How are you? Some bearing gifts. Some blob hangs.
Fucking sweet.
My car's monster something, man.
So is mine. What's up,
What's
dude?
going on, man?
Shit, dude, this thing's fucking clean.
Dude, what's up? How the fuck are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not
Dude,
too
you
bad.
got the same exhaust as her, I think. Is this pseudo?
It's something. It's like Spec D or...
Pseudo
What's up,
N1.
Callie? How are you?
All right. So this dude drove all the way from Florida to give me some parts, dude.
Hell yeah. Support the Subaru, bro.
Got the fucking stock headers. Got this. It's a 3-bolt, but that's okay. I'm just going to get a flange for this and just fucking weld that. That's the up pipe right there. And yeah. And apparently he has some more gifts.
Yep.
But that's fucking dope. That's one big step, dude. Holy fuck, there's a heavy bitch cow.
It's so tiny out of the... It's tiny out of the car, I feel like.
I'm curious to
The
see
whole
if it'll hold
engine.
right up. Yeah. Is it on the studs on that side?
Yeah, I do see a problem, though.
What's that?
My fucking thermostat is like
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Housings right there.
You'll probably just have to swap out the water pump because that's just the bottom of the water pump.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the turbo ones, it'll come out right here.
Ah, okay. I mean, that's cool. I mean, it fits directly, so that's fucking mint.
Yeah, you got
There's an
clears.
oil filter and everything.
Sweet.
So I just gotta get a Rex water pump.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if that's like a direct bolt on, but I don't see why it wouldn't be.
Here you go, guys. Oh, she got the compression.
She's
I want to see it suck that piece down again.
There it is.
This thing's compression is mint, dude.
Yeah.
She's ready for boost.
Oh, yeah.
So we had to take them for a quick ride on the Z, so I'm gonna go Froden now and probably get another exhaust leak and then come back and fix it, because that's like my process for everything every day. But I gotta clear the back out because there's a bunch of bullshit back here.
No, this is fine. Let me.
So we got the cloutbacc loaded up right now. Dude,
Yeah.
you try to lick my hand? Get out of here. We got it loaded up right now. We're about to go Froden in these friggin' literally on dirt bike trail sand pits. So yeah, it should be tight. We also have to get past this lake first.
See the bird? Oh, I hate
Fucking
this thing.
exposure boy.
I have such PTSD
Why?
just from driving through water.
Nah, we're good.
We're lifted.
Yeah, it's lifted on. Oh fuck, I should slow down a little bit too much.
This is a perfect soundtrack for the city.
Right?
We out here doing some fucking sketchy angled shit. Oh fuck, that's a big rut. Wow. I got around it. We're
Oh my
good.
God.
There's a whole truck in here. Oh, that's the dude.
There's a. Oh, is it?
Hell yeah.
Are there people riding?
I hope not, because we're out here.
Someone's gonna slam right into the side.
Yeah, right? Wow.
We got some fucking
Oh.
water over here. You just hit your head.
No, here your camera.
This thing takes it.
Oh my
Guys, people that tell me to get Forester suspension, can you do this on but can you do this?
No. Oh. What is straight ahead?
Straight ahead? Fucking where we're going, that's where we're going. Straight ahead. We out here.
The mall season.
Scraping on nothing. I got a full loaded fucking Subi right now. Here.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Shout out to Raceland though.
Yo, shout out.
Oh
Shout out
my
Raceland
God.
for the fucking fire suspension. Shout out to the rain for like making this more cool.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Oh, I hear bikes, so be careful.
There's a dude in the truck.
Oh my God, actual kids. Wait, where's the
Things you just see just kind of going through.
Ain't no thing.
I'm gonna need some fucking outside shots now, dude.
No.
I'm gonna go this way so it's not opposing the traffic.
Yeah.
This is way less dramatic than I thought.
It's so not dramatic.
I'm gonna go through it in reverse.
Go really fast.
Go through it in reverse.
Script.
Go down reverse.
I can't wait till like mad water goes up through his exhaust. Oh my God. He got really close.
Yes.
Oh. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh my God. This wheel was off the ground, like literally from there to here.
Did you get it?
I don't know.
All right, so this is like straight up a legit dirt bike track if you guys haven't like figured that out. But yeah, we're out here in the sand pits just bugging out and my shoes are fucked. But this thing fucking goes, dude. I don't want to hear nothing from you guys. No damn Forester suspension. We're out here doing fucking quad shit. Let me just hop in my fucking Polaris Razor. Fucking Can-Am Renegade 800 out here. Here, take my film stick. Yeah, you what? Whoa, wee wee! Goddamn, northern by the grace of God.
Freaking Steven literally just posted like a hill climb with the caption, "Raise hell, praise Dale."
Christ, fucking Jesus, what the fuck? Fucking shit, Steven, you fucking animal.
Oh.
Fret it.
Jeez.
I just want to fucking video me going over the whoops.
Yeah, I know, you said that 3 times.
Alright, good. Make sure that you know.
Damien, you're gonna hit a tree.
Fuck the trees. The trees
Damien.
move for me.
No.
I am Des Moines.
Okay. Oh my god, what is your issue?
This thing rips.
Oh my god.
Raceland, wait, go back over there.
You're so annoying.
Raceland USA commercial / Jeep commercial. We out here flexing the cloutbacc. I want to hear the least of it from you guys, alright? Callie, get in the vehicle.
I don't want to.
Vaping.
Oh.
You're at the view.
Oh my god. Oh.
What an experience.
Yeah, dude.
The
I think I
freaking
might have
door.
fucking knocked those camber bolts in a little bit over there.
If that's the only thing that happened.
Oh, piss my fucking. All right. So after all that, my only slight issue is the camber bolts kind of went in a little bit.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
Well, that's as far as they'll go because I have the little bolts up top. My car is a fucking champ. This thing is legit. Look how clean the wheels still are, though. Look at this.
Just that friggin' 3 feet of water.
What? The camber? Well, that's how much camber I had before.
Yeah, but you couldn't tell as much.
Because it was lowered, yeah. It just looks funny because it's mad camber and it's
I know.
lifted.
It's like if someone's in
This car is dope. Look at this flex pick right here. I love how the front's like dead flat, no camber. The back fucking mad camber. I just gotta adjust those bolts. Yeah. Go put those quick releases on your Z you've had for like a month. Do car girl things. Come on, car girl. Let's do car girl things. The front bumper's fucked. Fucking Froden boys. So yeah, remember how I said the thing about the camber? Now you can really see it. Now that it's like on the ground. Oh man. Those whoops is what did it, dude. I need some freaking lock washers for those top bolts. But yeah, I might not ever lower this thing down. It's just too much fucking fun. Plus I'm stunting going off-roading in these friggin' tarmacs, you know what I mean? I ain't on no Steelies, you know, so it's no stock Rex wheels. I don't need no 31s, dude. This thing has more than enough ground clearance. Thing is fire off-road. But the camber is not fire, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that now. All right, well there it is. All new, I said. All better, I should say. Nice, no more camber. We're mint. That's it. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me ripping my Subaru through a friggin' dirt bike track, literally like sand pit, like a dirt bike track sand pit type deal. Thing's a champ. Also, for all the people that are probably gonna be commenting about the noise that my car makes. So you know how I made those UEL headers? I sat them pretty high up and I bottomed out a couple times, so it literally just rests on the subframe. So that like ticking or knocking, whatever you guys hear, that's literally just that, like, because when it misfires, obviously the engine moves, right? So that basically is just the headers tapping the subframe. That's probably why the bolts keep getting loose, but it's okay because we have WRX headers, thanks to John. He's bringing some more stuff Friday, and we got a new engine, so I won't have to deal with no more exhaust leaks on this thing. Won't have to deal with any of that shit, and I'll have turbo noises, and I'll be able to make it up hills mint. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. You already know. Help your boy hit that 100K. And then yeah, smash like, smash subscribe. Let me know other cool things you want me to do with this, because Callie was right. I'm probably never going to lower this thing back down. It's too much fucking fun. So yeah, ideas in the comments. Peace. See you guys next time.